So here we go with question 1. She's serving soup with a... She's serving soup with a ladle. Question 2. The corn is being... The corn is being grilled. Question 3. The chef is some spices. The chef is pounding some spices. Question 4. What is she using on the pastry? She's using a rolling pin. Question 5. Maddie is the eggs. Maddie is beating the eggs. Question 6. George is the flour. George is sifting the flour. Did you get more than 3? That's pretty good. Hit like or subscribe to get more videos like this one.